Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into super and useful, the button and the symbol in Jupyter Notebook. Whether you are just starting or need a quick refresh, this video will help you in Jupyter Notebook more easily and confidently. Let's get started. First of all, let's look at the kernel icon. When our shell is stuck between the code, then we will click here to restart the kernel to restart the shell. And second is the add more shells. Here is it is look like a plus sign, and if we click here, the more shell will be added. Now here is the cut shell button. It's look like a scissor, and we use this to remove the shell. Here is 4 shell, and we will click on the scissor sign. The shell will be removed. And here is the run button. It's look like a play button or triangle right side. When we write a code or something, we have to run. We have to click on this, and the easy way to do is and press shift plus enter. And that is for today's video. Now you all know what are those symbols and how to use them like a pro. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep learning, keep coding. Bye for now.